See first question, 5x square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0, 2y square plus 7y plus 6 is equals to 0. See today there is a new pattern. We have a coefficient of x square and we have a coefficient of y square, and before it was like normal y square plus 7y plus 6 is equals to 0, x square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now coefficient is added. Now simply first thing what we know, we have to write product. What is product? 6, but here it is not 6. 2 6 are how much? 12. As it is 2 6 are 12, you can write as a product. Next, sum. Sum is equals to, what is y coefficient? Write reverse. Here plus 7 is there, take minus 7. And this is the first step what you have to do in your mind, not on the paper. Product and sum you have to do in a mind, not on a paper. And coming to this one, product is equals to 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3 value how much? Minus 15. And sum is equals to, what is sum value? Positive 2 is there, take negative 2. If here negative 2 is there, positive 2 is there, negative 2. So here positive 2 is there, I am taking negative 2. Here positive 7 is there, that's why I took negative 7. See, we want two numbers where we need product is equals to 12 and sum is equals to minus 7. If you are a newcomer to the quadratic equations topic, I will tell you how to take the values. See, दो numbers का multiplication 12 और उनका addition minus छोड़ दो. If you remove negative, there is a relation between 7. So I think 4 and 3 are the options. See, if you multiply 12 will come, if you add 7 will come. Now there are 4 options. 4 3 plus 4 minus 3 minus 4 plus 3 and minus 4 minus 3. And these are the for the beginners, and this one there is no need to write anything on paper. The whole thing you have to do in a mind, and this kind of practice will come by the slowly you have to do one sum after one sum. So for 4 3 plus 4 negative 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 minus 3. What we want? Product 12. So 4 3 is 12, 4 into negative 3 minus 12, this is also 12. So these two are the options, 4 3 and minus 4 minus 3. And what is sum? We want negative 7. Negative 7. 4 plus 3 7. So this is also not. So this one is the our answer. What are the numbers? What are the numbers? So y is equals to minus 4 minus 3, and this is the not the final answer. See, minus 4 minus 3 are the roots. Now what is the coefficient here? 2. Divide with the 2. Divide with the 2. Now what is the y value? Minus 2 minus 1.5. Clear? Now moving on to this one. Product negative 15 and sum negative 2. Product minus 15 and sum negative 2. See, multiplication relation 15 and sum relation 2. The numbers are 5 and 3. Am I correct? So 5 3. Next, positive 5 negative 3 and negative 5 positive 3 and negative 5 negative 3. These are the options, and this also you have to do in a mind. I am telling you, this thing you have to do in a mind. What is product? Negative 12. 5 3 is 15, remove it. Minus 5 into minus 15, minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15, that's also remove it. So these two are the options. Plus 5 into negative 3 minus 15, minus 5 into plus 3 minus 15. And coming to the sum, what is sum value? Negative 2. See, plus 5 minus 3, answer minus 2 will come? No, plus 2. So this is also wrong answer. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So what is the option? Minus. So x is equals to minus 5 positive 3. And this is not the final one. Now take the coefficient. What is the coefficient? 5. Divide with the 5. x is equals to -1 comma 0.6. Now we will give rankings. In this, what is the bigger number? 0.6 is the largest number. Next, moving on to the next big number, this is 2, and moving on to the next big number, this is 3, and next big number, this is 4. Now if you observe 1 2 3 4, first position occupied by the 1, second position occupied by the x, third position by y, and fourth position by y. So 1 2 3 4, first and 2 occupied by the x, and 3 and 4 occupied by the y. It means x greater than y. X greater than y. So for this question, the first option x greater than y is the correct answer, and let me explain all the options. See 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 is first occupied by the x, second occupied by the x, third occupied by the y, and fourth occupied by the y. In this case, x greater than y is the answer. Clear? Next, 1 2 3 4, 1 occupied by the y, 2 occupied by the y, 3 occupied by the x, and 4 occupied by the x. In this case, x less than y. These are the very very important things. 1 x x y y, x greater than y, y y x x, x less than y. And next option 3, 1 2 2 3, 1 2 2 3. First position occupied by the x, and of course second position occupied by the x, and again second position occupied by the y, and third position occupied by the y. See, if you observe here, 2 is common. In this condition, x greater than y, because x taken first position. And fourth option, 1 2 2 3, first occupied by the y, and second occupied by the y, and third occupied by the x, and again second occupied by the x, again third occupied by the x. If you observe, again second position shared by the x and y, same. And who occupied by the first position? Y. Means x less than or equals to y. And the remaining all options you can go with option 5. And moving on to the next question. 3x square minus 23x plus 40 is equals to 0, 2y square minus 23y plus 66 is equals to 0. First thing, take product. I am writing P. So product 2 into 66. What is 2 into 66 value? 132. Correct? Next, what is sum value? Sum negative 23 is there, so we have to take positive 23. Till this point clear. And here product 3 4s 340 is how much? 120. Product is equals to 120, and sum is equals to, here negative 23 is there, take positive 23. Clear? Till this point clear. Now product 132, sum 23. I think 12 comma 11 are the options. 12 11s 132 perfect, and 12 plus 1 23. So this is clear. But what we have to do when coefficient is there, 12 by 2 and 11 by 2. Clear? What is the y coefficient? Take 2 and divide the two numbers. So y is equals to 6 comma 5.5. So y is completed. See, now we did not add much information, just p, y and divide. That's it. Simple. 1 to 2 steps. Clear. On that side it is everything clear. Now here product 120 and sum 23. Can you guess your values? Like 12 10. See, product 120 we want and sum 23 we want. I think x is equals to 15 comma 8. 15 comma 8. Check. 15 into 8. Damn sure it is 120. And 15 plus 8 is equals to 23. This is we call sum. Sorry, this is we call product, and this is we call sum. So product 120 exactly came and sum 23 exactly came. So what are the numbers? x is equals to 15 comma 18, and some of the students what they will do, they will end at 15 comma 8, and that is absolutely wrong because we have a coefficient. What is coefficient? 3. So divide with 3 with the 15 and 8. So x is equals to 5 comma 3 to 6 means 2.66. So this 20% is completed and this 20% is completed. Total almost 50 to 60% is completed. Now what is the remaining thing? We have to give rankings. 5 2.66, 6 5.5. In this what is big value? In this what is big value? 6 is the big value. So give rank as a 1, and 5 2.665. So this is rank 2, and next 3, and this is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Who occupied first position? Y. And who occupied second position? Of course Y. And who occupied third and fourth positions? X and X. Y, Y, X, X, and the rankings with 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option? Excellent. X less than Y. And this is the something about option 2. And one thing, we are going to discuss 5 options. We are going to discuss 5 questions and we are going to discuss 5 options. Each question we are going to discuss with each option. And moving on to the x square minus 7x plus 1, and here 35 y square minus 12y plus 1 is equals to 1, 0. See first 35 ones are how much? 35. So product value how much? 35. And sum is equals to how much? Here negative 12 is there. What we have to take? Positive 12. And here product is equals to 10 ones are how much? 10. And here sum is equals to negative 7 is there. Take positive 7. Of course taken. Now tell me 2 numbers which gives product is equals to 35, sum is equals to 12. So y is equals to 7 comma 5. Once check, 7 5s are 35 and 7 plus 5 12. So, and this is not the final one. What we have to do? We have to divide with the 35. Correct? We have to divide with the 35. 1 time and 5 times. So y is equals to 1 by 5. What is mean by 1 by 5? 0.2. 0.2. Next. 1 time and 7 times. So 1 by 7. What is 1 by 7 value? 0.14. So y is equals to 0.2 and 0.14. And coming to this one, what is product? 10. And what is sum? 7. Tell me 2 numbers, unka product 10 or sum is equals to 7. So manaki 2 numbers kavali. మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి 10 అనే వాల్యూ రావాలి అండ్ ఎడిషన్ చేసినప్పుడు 7 అనే వాల్యూ రావాలి. నేనైతే 5, 2 తీసుకుంటాను. సో x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5, 2. Simply 5, 2. 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. Clear? Now this is not the final thing. What we have to do? Take coefficient 10. Divide with the 10. Okay? Now 5 1s are 5 2s are. X is equals to 1 by 2. It is nothing but 0.5. And 1 time and 5 time 1 by 5. It is nothing but 0.2. 0.2. So x value completed, at the same time y value completed. Now next step, what is the next step? Rankings. Ranking is the last step. 0.5, 0.2, 0.2, 0.14. So 0.1, 0.5 is the first position, 0.2 is the second position. Of course again 0.2 is the second position because these two are same. And what is third position? 0.14. Positions means largest number will go with the rank 1, and the next number will go with the rank 2, and next number will go with the rank 3, and next number will go with the rank 4. So 1 2 2 3. What came? 1 2 2 3. These are the rankings. So we already discussed 1 2 2 3, either x greater than or equals to y or x less than or equals to y. Here x because 1 and 2 occupied by the x and 2 3 occupied by the y. And if you observe, we have x and y common in the second position and x occupied first position. What is the answer? X greater than or is equals to y, option 3. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get every notification. Just a small subscribe will give you so much of happiness to me. And moving on to the x square minus 16x plus 5 is equals to 0, 18y square minus 45y plus 25 is equals to 0. First thing, product. What is product? 18 25s. 18 25s. 25 20 is 500 and remove 50. So product is equals to 450. And what is sum value? Here negative 45 is there. What we have to take? Positive 45. This point clear. Now here product. 12 5s are how much? 60. And what is sum value? Here negative 16 is there. We have to take a positive 16. Absolutely. Now tell me the numbers which gives product 450 and sum 45. And this is the crucial thing. And here the intelligent students will crack the exam and weak in the math students will fail in the exam. So you have to be particular with the multiplications and additions. Even small additions also will make the difference in the final selection. So product 450 and sum 35. See, can I tell you? 30 and 15. You can check 30 plus 15 45, correct, and 30 15 is 450. Simple. Now this is not the final thing. We have to divide with the 18. We have to divide with the y square coefficient 18. So which table? 6 5s are and 6 3s are 5 by 3. Next 3 5s are, sorry, 3 5s are and 3 6s are. So 5 by 6. What came? 5 by 3 and 5 by 6. And if you don't know the divisions properly, I will tell you that thing also, how to do without doing a divisions. Now moving on to the x1, and these are the y values. And moving on to this one, product 60 and sum 16. It is easy. 10 comma 60, 10 comma 6, 10 and 6. See, multiplication 60, addition 16. And now we have to divide with the 12. We have to divide with the 12. Divide with the 12. Now 5 times and 6 times. So 5 by 6. And here 1 time and 2 time. 1 by 2. If suppose if you are little bit difficult with divisions, 5 by 3 how much, 5 by 6 how much, 1 by 2. So do one thing, multiply with a single number to the all numbers. 6 2 3 6. You can multiply with the 6 because LCM is 6. So multiply with 6, multiply with 6, multiply with 6 and multiply with 6. And remember one thing, when you are multiplying all the numbers, you have to multiply with the same number. So I multiplied with 6, 6, 6 and 6 because 6 2 3 6 LCM is 6. Now 6 6 cancel, 5, 2 table 6, 3 times cancel, 3 table 6 2 times cancel, 10 will come, and 6 table 6 cancel, 5 will come. So what are the answers? 5 3 10 5. Now give the rankings. In this, what is the largest number? 10. So this occupied by the first position. And what is the next position? 5. Of course, second position. Here also one 5 is there. So this is second position. And here 3 is there. This is third position. What are the positions? 1, 2, 2, 3. First position occupied by the y. Again second position occupied by the y. And second position again occupied by the x. Third position occupied by the x. And if you observe, second option is shared by the x and y. In this condition, x greater than y or x less than y. But here first position occupied by the y. So x less than r is equals to y. And we are going to discuss so many questions. And in this episode, we are going to discuss one more question, that is the option 5. And please subscribe to my channel to get more videos, and just give support, because if you give more support to me, I can do more videos. So if you are not subscribing, if you are not liking, if you are not commenting, what can I teach? So I need somehow support from you guys. So moving on to the next question. See, next question. 4x square plus 17x plus 15 is equals to 0. 3y square plus 19y plus 28 is equals to 0. First, what we have to take? We have to take product value. Product value 3 28s. 3 20 60 and the 3 8s 24. Total how much? 84. And what is sum value? Minus 19. Here positive 19 is there. Take negative 19. Sum is equals to negative 19. And moving on to this one, product is equals to 4 15 60 and sum is equals to positive 17 is there. Take negative 17. Clear? Yes. And next one, take here product 84 and sum negative 19. Remove the negative or positive. Product is equals to 84 and sum is equals to 19. 12 sevens are perfect. 12 comma 7. See, relation is important. 12 sevens 84 is coming and 12 and 7 somehow 19 will give. So 12 comma negative 7, negative 12 comma positive 7, and negative 12 comma negative 7. These are the four options. What we want? Product is equals to 84. This will not give, this will not give. And these two are the options. And what is the sum? Negative 19. This is positive 19 and this is negative 19. So this is also wrong. So what are the final options? Minus 12 comma minus 7. Minus 12 comma minus 7. Minus 12 comma minus 7, and this is not the ending, we have to divide with the 3. So minus 4 comma minus 2.66 is the y value. Simple. Now moving on to this one, 60 and negative 17. So x is equals to minus 12 comma minus 5. Clear? Minus 12 into minus 5, definitely positive 60 will come. See, minus 12 into minus 5 is equals to negative into negative positive. 12 5s are 60. Yes, coming. And negative 12, negative 5 sum is equals to negative 17. So the answers are minus 12 comma minus 15, and again we have to divide with the x square coefficient 4. So x is equals to minus 3 comma minus 0.8. Now what is the next thing? We have to give ranking. 1 minus 0.8, and the next largest value this one, and next 3, next 4. So rankings 1 2 3 4. First occupied by the x, and second occupied by the y, third occupied by the x, and fourth occupied by the y. So we know 4 options, 1 2 3 4. So 4 we have to remember in your mind. Those are the very important. And remaining all, option 5, x not equals to y, or else relation does not exist. Does not exist. I hope you like this session, and if you like this session, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And one more thing, please join in our Telegram group to get everyday daily updates. And if you like this video, please share with your friends. Jai Hind.